EncryptTitan is our fully featured encryption solution that allows users to exchange information securely via email. This is our secure portal interface. As an MSP, you have a view of all your customer accounts that are currently using the EncryptTitan portal. In this list, we can see the type of license your customer is a part of. Managed email security, which refers to keyword encryption only, or advanced managed email security, referring to content-based encryption as well as keyword encryption. As part of your MSP account, you can also brand the portal like using your own logo and your own support URL for your customers. You can also set default email templates, which will be setting default values for the automated emails that get sent to users when using the EncryptTitan portal. Let's log in to one of our customer accounts to review the features. To log in, simply go to Corporate Customers, select the customer account that you want to log in with, and click on Manage Corporate Configuration. As soon as we log into the account, we are brought to the Email Security Setup, where we can set keywords for keyword-based encryption and policies for content-based encryption. This page is set up with several sections where you can set different keywords for different types of encryption. We have different methods of encryption which can be triggered by the keywords. For example, the keyword for this account is secure. When we use the word secure in our emails, this will trigger the TLS encryption when enabled. This means that emails will be delivered securely and directly to the recipient's inbox. You can also configure the footer of the mail to disclose that the mail has been encrypted through our service. The other option you have for encryption is called No Registration Required. When this is enabled, the end user can send emails and have it delivered to a secure portal where the recipient can use a one-time password to log in and review the email without needing to set up an account. Finally, you can enable encryption under Registration Required as well. When this is enabled, you have the option to ensure that all recipients must be registered with EncryptTitan to receive the encrypted email, meaning the recipient must set up an account on the secure portal to review the email. If you have a license to use our advanced managed email security, this gives you the ability to select policies for content inspection and add a keyword to bypass the content inspection. Once you have enabled the content inspection, a selection of predefined policies is available. Here you can choose the country that is relevant to you and select the ones you would like to use. If you want the ability to bypass this content inspection type of encryption, please ensure to specify a keyword users can enter to bypass this. If a policy is triggered, then the level of encryption used will depend on the settings enabled in the keyword settings. Now we have covered the main part of the EncryptTitan solution, let's go through some other things on the system. On the system, we do need to specify the domains you want to use the encryption service for. As part of the setting up of the solution, you do need to edit your SPF records and DKIM records. These edits can also be found here, where you can also verify that they are correct on the system. There is a group policy section where you can configure specifically what users are allowed to use on the system. For example, you can group your users together in one policy to allow them to send out secure emails to reinforce a timeout for secure emails. In here, you can also ensure only some users will be checked for content inspection. If this is disabled, emails for users in that group will not be checked for content inspection. Finally, we have the Identities section, which is primarily used to add or import end users who will be using the email encryption system. You can see all users on this screen and the associated groups they are based in. We can also see the status of each user, whether they are yet to set up their account or they have started sending secure emails. I hope you've enjoyed this demo of our encrypted product today.